What's up, beauty world? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Naya, owner of Rich Doll Era, and today we're bringing another wig back to life. Look at this wig. All right, so now before y'all see the finished results, take a look at this wig. This unit was sent in by a customer for our Wig Restoration Service. And as you can see, it definitely seen better days. We got some glue built up, tangling, dryness. Overall, the customer said that, this was just a work wig. She wore it to work and boom. A lot of people think once a wig gets to this condition, it's just time to throw it away and buy a new one. But that's not always the case. In many situations, a professional restoration can completely bring that wig back to life, baby, and expand the lifespan. So that's pretty much what we're doing in today's video. I'm going to show you exactly how we take this wig from tied, worn out, glued up, to being all refreshed and ready to wear again. You'll also get to see the entire restoration process from start to finish, including the cleaning, detangling, deep conditioning, all the way till we get to the final results. So if you ever wondered whether your wig could be saved, girl, this is the video for you. Let's go ahead and get started. Well, as y'all can see in the video, I'm already starting, so I'm just blabbering on. So I'm just gonna keep quiet and, just kind of do my thing and let y'all watch. Okay, so just want to check in right now. As you can see, I am still trying to break down the glue. So this glue is really, really dry. Seems like it's been on there for a really long time. This one of the wigs that the customer just pulled out the back of the closet, baby. But yeah, but nevertheless, we're, getting down to it. So, yep, as you can see, some hair do come out. I do want to also throw out there that the video is sped up, as you can see, but I am going really, really slow and really, really soft. That's what I want to do, just to make sure we're being careful with people hair, with people wig. This is a service. So yeah, we, treat every matted up, tangled up, dried up, glued up wig, and we treat it with love and care. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and speed the video up some more so we can get into the next part. You kind of get the point of this right now. Okay, so the two bottles here that I've been using, they both are shampoos. Um, I like both of those. One of the shampoo, the one with the red cap, that goes with the glue remover oil. And then this one is Cliff Vermeer brand of shampoo, and it smells like chocolate. So definitely want to just add that in there. But we're moving on to the next step, which is the wash, as you can see. So let's go ahead and get this washed. I just used a bucket. Bucket is super clean, of course. And I just, yeah, go ahead and dip it and detangle it. And well, I don't start off automatically like that. I actually let it soak for a while. So just let it soak in boiling hot water. I tried to let y'all see the steam, but I don't know. The video just wasn't capturing the steam. In person, it was a lot of steam. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, so I actually let it sit for a while. Then I paused my camera. Then I came back and got into the detangling process. So let's just get through here, because this was, oh my gosh. But you got to take your time, and you got to go soft, because you don't want to just snatch all the hair out, then that wig gonna be bald headed. So let's just take our time with this and keep on watching. So really quick, I am just showing how clean it is. Oh my gosh, this is a freaking miracle, y'all. Okay, y'all, so we are finally finished with the detangling, the washing, and the lace cleaning. So let me go ahead and put her on the mannequin head. Now the next steps, I'm going to put a leave-in conditioner and this very, very special Rich Doll Era secret formula. I'm going to put that on the curls as well, just to give it that nice, soft, bouncy shine. Oh, I love it so much. But anyways, so y'all, let's just run through a few expectations when it comes to wig restoration. A wig restoration service is designed to bring the hair back to life, but it doesn't reserve physical damage that's already been done to the lace. Like, for an example, if a frontal has a bald spot, thinning areas, tears, or excessive plucking from, normal wear and tear, those things may still be present after the restoration if a frontal replacement wasn't purchased. Did you hear that? So in this particular case, the customer has some bald spots. I know you saw it. These spots were already there before the wig arrived and were not caused by the restoration process. Want to throw that out there. Sometimes I can trim the lace back a little, get it refreshed, pluck a new hairline, do something light, some customizations. But in this case, the thinning extends all the way back to the cap. So cutting the lace would not solve this problem, y'all. So sometimes it is what it is. So I chose to leave the lace as is and focus on restoring the hair itself. And as you can see, even with the bald spot, the wig is still beautiful, wearable, and completely transformed from how it arrived. Y'all saw how it arrived. It looked like a raccoon. It looked like Radagast. But that's why wig restoration can be such a great option. Instead of spending hundreds of dollars on a brand new wig, you can literally just bring your old wig back to life, for a fraction of the freaking cost. Way cheaper and get plenty more wears out of it. So this customer will be able to take this wig and wear it for another 6 months. But girl, let me tell you something. By the time that 6 months over, you gonna need a frontal replacement. All jokes aside, this wig restored beautifully. So right now it's actually still wet. So this is the wet process. I put deep conditioner on there. Y'all see I'm saying I'm done. It's wet. So we're gonna go into the next day in a few seconds. But while it was wet, I put leave-in conditioner and a special Rich Doll Era treatment in there. Yeah, that's what I do to make sure the curls stay bouncy and soft at the same time, not hard and crunchy. And then I let it air dry. And here are the final results, y'all. What a transformation. This wig came to us looking dry, tangled, and in need of some serious TLC. And now it's soft and refreshed and ready to be worn again. This is exactly why I love doing wig restorations, y'all. Sometimes the wig just needs the right care to bring it back to life. I want to give a special thank you to our customer for trusting Rich Doll Era. We really do appreciate the client who gave us the opportunity to restore her wig. Restoration really helps you get more out of your investment, guys. You don't have to buy a whole nother wig. Just restore it. And if you're watching this video and you have a wig that's looking tired, don't throw it away just yet. You might be surprised what a restoration can do. All right, y'all, so this is the end of the video. I do want to let y'all know that if you do buy a Rich Doll Era wig, you get 25% off the restoration. So imagine just freaking buying a wig, wearing it for 6 months, sending it back to the company, getting it restored, and then getting 25% off of the restoration, and then us sending it back to you. You didn't even have to buy a whole nother wig. Boom.